Prep Test 70, game number 2, question 8. First question in the game, unsurprisingly a possible scenario question. We will use the rules one at a time, and to help speed things up a little bit, this time we'll also make use of our limited options because they provided quite a bit of information here. So let's go ahead and figure out which of these is a possible scenario. Rule number 1 tells us if we have M, we cannot have O, and we cannot have P. So in answer choice A, we have M and P. That breaks the rule. We don't have M in any of our other answer choices, so we don't have to worry about it. Next rule tells us if we have S, we better have P and T. B doesn't have S. C has S and not a T, so that breaks the rule. D has S and not a P, so that breaks the rule. And E is safe because there's no S. And finally, if we have W, we better have M and Y. Here we have W but no M, so that breaks the rule, leaving B as the only possible answer choice.